in the business report. Jamaican battery manufacturer Tropical Battery Company says through its new Amazon.com storefront that within the first weeks of operation, it has shipped products to customers in more than 39 states across the United States. Tropical Battery says while revenue from the new sales channel remains modest at this early stage, the geographic reach of the launch has exceeded its expectations. The company told RJR News that the development demonstrates that a Jamaican business operating from Kingston can use Amazon's logistics network to deliver products directed to American households and businesses, while earning US dollar revenue without a physical presence in the US. The company says Amazon's fulfillment infrastructure is serving as its US logistics partner, allowing it to access a wider customer base as it builds the platform for future growth. ATL Automotive Group has been appointed the regional master dealer for Jator vehicles, expanding its partnership with the Sherry Group. Under the agreement, ATL's Caribbean hub will oversee Jator sales and dealer support in Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, St. Lucia, Belize, Grenada, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The announcement follows the recent launch of the Jator brand in Guyana through CAM Motors, ATL's local dealer partner. ATL Automotive currently operates in 21 countries across the Caribbean, Central and South America, providing regional support in sales, technical services, training, marketing, and warranty operations. The addition of Jator further strengthens ATL's relationship with Cherry Group, which also includes the Omoda and Jeku brands. Denise Williams brings us the latest market details.
For the trading period of June 26, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 11,235,810 units, representing 24.96% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 6,026,637 units, representing 13.39% of market sales activities. QWI Investments Limited with 3,196,040 units, representing 7.10% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 26, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.78 and buying at $156.67. Moderate gains supported by $1.27 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.08 and was bought for $110.81. The British pound had continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $1.09 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $208.41 and was bought for $207.32. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, love shouldn't ignore credit scores. Relationships often begin with shared values, shared dreams, and shared chemistry. Yet many encounter an uncomfortable reality. One partner is carrying significant debt and has a low credit score, while the other has spent years avoiding debt altogether. The challenge isn't simply financial, it's philosophical. The solution isn't for either person to win, it's to build a financial partnership. A practical strategy includes separate love from liability. Marriage or commitment doesn't require immediately combining debts or borrowing together. You can also create financial transparency, share credit reports, outstanding obligations, repayment plans, and financial goals without judgment. And agree on non-negotiables. Decide together what level of debt is acceptable, when new borrowing is appropriate, and how major purchases will be financed. Financial compatibility is not about having identical bank accounts. It's about developing shared financial behaviors that create trust. And that's today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.